In this video I'll go over how to fix black bars on stretch resolution in Valorant. So there are 4 steps that you can take. First, go and check your in-game resolution. So open Valorant, then go to Settings, Video and then Resolution, and first just choose a stretched resolution and set the display mode to full screen. Stretched resolutions generally only work in full screen. Next, you need to configure your GPU scaling, and I'll show you how to do it for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. So depending on your graphics card, you need to tell it to stretch the image instead of keeping the aspect ratio. So for NVIDIA, right-click Desktop, then NVIDIA Control Panel, Display, and adjust desktop size and position. Select your monitor, then go to Scaling and select Full Screen. Next, check Override the scaling mode set by games and programs and apply the changes. For AMD, open the Radeon software, go to Display and then GPU Scaling, and enable GPU Scaling and set the scaling mode to Full Panel. If you're using Intel, just open the Intel Graphics Command Center, go to Display, then General and then Scaling, and choose Scale Full Screen. Next, set Valorant to full screen mode. So black bars often appear in windowed or borderless modes. Make sure in-game display mode is full screen. And finally, check your monitor settings. Some monitors have an aspect or scaling option in the on-screen menu. Make sure it's set to full or stretch, not maintain aspect ratio. So now you know how to fix black bars on stretch resolution in Valorant. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.